Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a very interesting topic today. In today's video, we'll be going through a useful technique for managing your web development projects in the LAMP stack, which means Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Specifically, we'll be walking through how to create a symbolic link or a symlink for the htdocs directory in your Apache server. If you're working on multiple projects or want to keep your web files organized outside the default htdocs folder, symlinks are a great way to do that. Instead of moving your project files into traditional htdocs, you can simply link them from anywhere on your system to the web root directory. That being said, this makes managing projects a lot easier and more flexible. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create symlinks, how to adjust permissions to make sure your server has access to those files, and how to verify that the symlink works as expected. So let's jump into the video and let's see how this all unfolds. So first, step is to locate the htdocs folder. So by default it's located in the /opt/lamp/htdocs, so we just change the directory to that. So this is where your Apache serves your web files. And the second step is to choose the target folder. So for this video, I'll be just creating a folder in another directory and then linking to htdocs through symlink. So I'll go to root, then I'll go to my medias. So I've got two drives, so that's enable and Nova, so I'll change to Nova. So in here I'll be creating a folder, this for an example, my web app. See if it has enough access to that. So it does, and everything looks good. So the third step is to create a symlink. So to do this, we'll use the ln command with this -s flag, which stands for symbolic. So in order to do that, we need to run the following command. So sudo, I'll just clear this out, sudo ln /s for -s for symbolic. Then we'll give it the directory path. For that, my web app. Then we'll link it through the htdocs, so which is basically the /opt/lamp/htdocs, and just give a name, my web app. It will prompt you for a password, and then just enter the password, and then we'll go back to the /opt/lamp/htdocs. So if you see that has created a symlink. So that's just like a link, like a shortcut that we say it in the Windows. So that is created now in htdocs, which will basically mirror the that folder that we just created in another drive. So we've got enough permission for that. That's good. So verify the symlink if you want to by using these commands, and then we'll adjust the permission if needed. So if you need to keep the permission to the parent folder. Just write sudo chmod -r 775. So if you're having trouble accessing the symlink, you might need to adjust the permission of the target folder using chmod. So that's just media, the parent folder, media. Okay, so after that is done, we'll go in here, access the development server, my web app, so we can access that. So let's open that using a Visual Studio Code. Simply so open folder, then other locations, we'll go Nova, my web app, create a folder. Okay, no, but that's okay. Let's create a simple PHP file. Wait, index.php, and then just write a simple echo line. Okay, so we have no problems on saving that, so that means everything is good with the permission label as well. So now let's refresh this. So we've got hello world. So in this summary, what it means is that I'll show you the file structure. So I've got a folder, my web app, that we just created in Nova Drive. So we just created index.php. So we have separated our app folder in another drive somewhere else, not just in the htdocs. So we have created somewhere else, and then we are accessing this folder through opt lamp and then htdocs. So using that, so that's the icon for Symlinks. So this will make it much more easier and just more easier to organize. And I hope this helps. If you require further instructions or further help, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help. If you like this video, if it helped you, please show your support through like, share, subscribe maybe. That would be a great help and ensure me that I'll be creating much more useful videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.